Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create an image slider in WordPress. The first thing you want to do is go onto your WordPress admin dashboard, as you can see right here. Once you have done that, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option, right where you see plugins. You are going to tap on add new. After you have tapped on add new, I want you to tap in the search bar where you see search plugins, and you're going to type in slider. Then you're going to tap on enter. After you have done that, you're going to see numerous image slider plugins that you can use, but the one that I would recommend that you give a try is this one by the name of Smart Slider 3. So we're going to tap on install now. Once the plugin has been installed, you are going to tap on activate. Just give it a few seconds to install. Once it has been activated, I'll be showing you what to do next. All we'll need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option, right where you see Smart Slider at the bottom right there, and you're going to tap on dashboard. After tapping on dashboard, this is Smart Slider 3 dashboard, and you're going to tap on go to dashboard. Once you have done that, you can see a tutorial slider here that you can view. If I were to tap on it, you can see how it looks right there, but we won't be using that. And also, if you would like to see some templates that you can use, all you'll have to do is tap on new project. Then you'll tap on start with a template. After you have tapped on start with a template, you'll be redirected to this page, and you can see 15 different free templates that you can choose from. So as you can see, this one right here, if you would like to use this one, you can tap on the eye icon to preview it to see how it would look on your website. You can see how it looks right there by tapping across. And there are numerous free templates, as I said, that you can use. You can use up to 15 free templates. But we won't be using any of the free template. Instead, we'll be creating a slider from scratch. So to do this, all you'll need to do is tap right where you see new project again. Then you're going to tap on create a new project. And then you'll see the option slider or block, but we are going to be using slider. Then you can also see simple. We are going to be using that. Then you'll scroll down. You can add a name if you want right there. And you can also choose the size and the layout. At the moment it is at full width, but if you would like to change it to boxed, you can, but I'll stick to full width. Then I'm going to tap on create. Once you have tapped on create, you will see right here you have two slides. So to add images, all you have to do is right where you see drop images here, you are going to tap right there. Then you are going to tap on image. And from here, you can add your images by tapping on select files. Then you can search for the images that you would like to add. I'll add some random thumbnails right here. So I'm going to add these two thumbnails. So I'll tap on open. Then after they have been imported, I'll be showing you what to do next. So you can see the thumbnails right here. Then all I'll do is tap on select. So you can see that they have been added right there. The two images have been added. Another thing you can also do, if you would like to add an additional slider, you can also do that. All you would have to do is tap on image in the top left hand corner. Then I could add a third image. So let's say I want to add a third image. So I'll tap on that again and I'll search for a third image. For example, let's say this one. Then I'll tap on open. Then after doing that, I'm going to go down to the bottom right hand corner and I'm going to tap on select. And you can see that a third image has been added. Or if you would like to delete one of the images, all you have to do is tap on the box right there. Then you'll select bulk action and you could select delete. After you have added all the images that you would like to add or the posts that you would like to add, all you'll need to do now is scroll down, and from there you will see some editing actions. The first thing you can do, you can change the size by tapping on size right there. You could edit the size as you can see right here. You can also limit the slide width if you want. And also by scrolling down, you will see breakpoints. So if you want to change the orientation from portrait to landscape, you can do that. As you can see right there, there are numerous editing options you can use. And also you can edit the controls. So by tapping on controls, for example, instead of it having the 2 arrow as you can see right here, you could choose this control. Or if you would like it to change images on hover, you can select hover right here. You could toggle that on as you can see right there. And by scrolling down, if you would like to add alt text, you can also do that as you can see there. You can also add a text bar or bullets if you want. And by going back up, if you would like to add animations, we can do that as you can see right there. You can edit the animation duration also. And by scrolling down, you can add background animation if you want. And if you would like the slider to be on autoplay, all you have to do is tap on autoplay, then you would toggle it on. And you can also select the slide duration. After you have done all of that and it is to your liking, you can tap on the eye icon to preview how it looks. So let me do that real quick. You can see how my slider looks right now. Once it is to my liking, I'll tap on close in the top right hand corner, then select save. After it has been saved, you are going to tap on general. After selecting general, you will need to copy the short code right here. So you are going to copy the short code. Then you are going to go back over to the left hand menu option and you are going to hover over appearance. Then you are going to select editor. Once you have selected editor, you will be redirected to your themes editor page. Once on the home page, all you have to do is select the section that you would like to add the slider to. So I want to add the slider right above mind blown. So what I'm going to do next is tap on the plus in the top right hand corner. Then I'm going to select blocks. After selecting blocks, you could tap on code and you could paste it right there if you do not see smart slider. So I see smart slider 3 right here. So all I'm going to do is tap on this block. Then I'm going to drag and place it right here. Then I'll tap on select slider. And I'm going to be using the slider that we created. So I'm going to tap on it, then tap on insert. After I've tapped on insert, you can see how the slider looks on my home page. So now all I have to do is tap on save in the top right hand corner. Once it has been saved, if I were to tap on view, then select view site, you can see how it looks. And I hope you found this video helpful and informative. And as I said, if you don't see smart slider 3, when you go there, all you'll have to do is simply paste the code and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.